Hello. So let's don't know how to use the variables that you can use in Scratch. Now variables store information which you can use for a number of things. So let's say we want to keep track of the speed of our character. We could just do x speed, meaning speed on your left and right. You can also toggle whether the information is on screen or not, and you can set it to something. Let's say we set it to 5. See, it's 5. Now that will be stored until it's changed. Project and the project, it don't matter. Nothing's gonna happen. It is at 5. You can also change this information by whatever you want. As you can see, up, down. And this can change based on gravity, so you can use it for gravity. You could use this for momentum. You could use it for a number of things. But it is very great for this. So I'll just give you a little. So let's say. Change our x by x speed. And you can select the variable by dragging this. So we're going to change it by whatever x speed is. So x speed is 5. And then we can change that mid-project with example arrow keys. So let's say if right arrow is pressed, this is going to be happening forever. And then right key will change x speed by 1. So, see, we're moving forward. But let's say at the start of the project it is set to 0. So, meaning we are not moving. Like this. And also we'll make our character go here at the start. For convenience purposes. That's not where I want you to go. Hold on. There you go. So we start the project, and if we press the right arrow, we're gaining speed. This is what we want, because we can gain speed over time. Let's say left arrow, -1. And get our cat to go left, and go right, with momentum. And see, it's like he's sliding. If you were to use normal movement, it would just be very unsmooth movements. You can use this for car drifting. Use for lots of things. You can see we gain speed over time. So that is how to use variables for movement in Scratch. Thank you for watching, and bye.